So if you are new to spin pole, I've got a few tips to show you how to start spinning gracefully and beautifully. Number one, I would stand next to the pole, not in front or not behind the pole. I stand right next to the pole, just about a foot away from the pole. So you can do a half bracket grip with the inside hand low and brace it with your elbow, outside hand high. Start engaging your shoulders right away, where you can do this grip, engage your shoulders. We never do flat foot on spin flow because it doesn't look good. It doesn't look flowy. So you stand on your tiptoes always. Step in front of the pole with my inside leg, and my outside leg is gonna circle to give me a momentum to spin. So, inside leg, step in front of the pole, outside leg, swing. And you can do whatever pose you wanna do here. So, that's how you start a spin. Also, if you don't engage your shoulders, your spin is gonna look like you're hanging like this. You're hanging. This is how you engage your shoulders. You're just gonna float. I'm Pat, thank you for watching Just the Tips with the Moxy movement.
Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.